I'm going to share with you the incredible benefits of frankincense oil and how it can elevate your wellness routine in ways you never thought possible. Frankincense oil has been a staple in traditional medicine for thousands of years, and its popularity only continues to grow in modern wellness practices. From ancient Egyptian rituals to modern-day aromatherapy, this incredible essential oil has been used to promote relaxation, reduce anxiety, and even alleviate chronic pain. But what makes frankincense oil so special? For one, it's a natural anti-inflammatory, which makes it a game-changer for anyone dealing with chronic pain or inflammation. And two, it's been shown to have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being, reducing stress and anxiety while promoting a sense of calm and focus. As we dive deeper into the world of frankincense oil, it's clear that this ancient remedy is more relevant today than ever before. With the rise of chronic diseases and mental health concerns, people are seeking natural remedies that can help them take control of their health and wellness. We're living in a world where chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer are on the rise. We're living in a world where mental health concerns like depression, anxiety, and PTSD are affecting millions of people around the globe. And we're living in a world where people are desperate for natural solutions that can help them regain control of their health and well-being. From fibromyalgia to arthritis, from anxiety disorders to depression, people are seeking natural remedies that can help them alleviate their symptoms and improve their quality of life. And that's where frankincense oil comes in. Frankincense oil has been shown to have a profound impact on our physical and emotional well-being. From reducing inflammation and pain to promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, this incredible essential oil is a natural remedy that deserves our attention. But what about the science behind frankincense oil? Study after study has confirmed the incredible benefits of this ancient remedy. From reducing inflammation and pain to promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, the science is clear: frankincense oil is a powerful natural remedy that deserves our attention. Let's take a look at one study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, which found that frankincense oil reduced inflammation and pain in patients with osteoarthritis. Or another study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, which found that frankincense oil exhibited potent antibacterial and antifungal properties. The benefits of frankincense oil are vast and varied, from reducing inflammation and pain to promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. And the best part? It's a natural remedy that can be used in a variety of ways, from aromatherapy to topical application. From reducing stress and anxiety to promoting relaxation and improving sleep, frankincense oil is a natural remedy that deserves our attention. And the science is clear: this ancient remedy is a powerful tool in our quest for optimal health and wellness. But what about the people who have used frankincense oil to transform their lives? From alleviating chronic pain to reducing anxiety and depression, the testimonials are astounding. I want to share a powerful story with you. A friend of mine was struggling with chronic back pain for years, until she discovered frankincense oil. She began using it topically, applying it to her lower back after a warm bath, and within weeks, she was pain-free. It was like a miracle, and it opened her eyes to the incredible benefits of this ancient remedy. For her, frankincense oil was a game-changer. It alleviated her chronic pain, reduced her stress and anxiety, and promoted a sense of relaxation and calm that she had never experienced before. And she's not alone. Thousands of people around the world are using frankincense oil to transform their lives, from alleviating chronic pain to reducing anxiety and depression. And it's not just the physical benefits, it's the emotional and spiritual benefits as well. Frankincense oil has a way of connecting us to our higher selves, promoting a sense of calm and focus that can be life-changing. And that's why it's often called the Wizard of Wellness. So what makes frankincense oil the Wizard of Wellness? It's the incredible benefits it offers, from reducing inflammation and pain to promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. It's the science behind it, which confirms its potency and efficacy. And it's the people who have used it to transform their lives, from alleviating chronic pain to reducing anxiety and depression. In short, frankincense oil is a natural remedy that deserves our attention. It's a powerful tool in our quest for optimal health and wellness, and it's a reminder that nature has the power to heal and transform us in ways we never thought possible. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you used frankincense oil before? What were your experiences like? Let's continue the conversation and explore the incredible benefits of this ancient remedy together.